Model, 2016 Ford Transit 350 DROPSIDE flatbed-IDEAL recovery truck needs engine repair, no VAT. Body, white, flatbed. Mileage, 224,800. MOT, the 19th of October 2025. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2125 PS TDCI-J. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: Enginge does not start and wont turnover, engine has seized. Condition summary: bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: 2 former keepers, electric windows, 2 keys, tow bar, tailift in working order. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternative